Hello, David Bradley in the TV room here. I moved the microphone because I thought, I'm facing this way mostly as I'm looking at things, so why would I not have it facing me? Why would I not? Anyway, we'll see. I'm working on this, so if you have to turn the volume up, sorry about that. Let's see here. Here's another little thing. It's a card from Commodore. It is the Commodore 16 keyboard tutorial cartridge instructions. The Commodore 16 keyboard tutorial cartridge is a hands-on introduction to the Commodore 16 computer keyboard. It is intended as an enjoyable learning tool to supplement the information contained in the Commodore 16 Owner's Guide. Most of the information presented on the cartridge is covered in greater detail in Section 2 of the Owner's Guide, Looking at Your Keyboard. Here are a few quick tips that will help you use the keyboard tutorial cartridge. Try to follow the instructions on the screen exactly, particularly when following typing instructions. Press the F3 key to move ahead to the next screen before the last one is complete. When you are instructed to press the Shift key, you can press either Shift key on the left or right side of the keyboard, whichever is more comfortable for you. Make sure that the Shift lock key is not down when typing with the keyboard tutorial cartridge. This is copyright 1984, all rights reserved, Commodore Business Machines, Inc. Commodore 16 tutorial cartridge instructions. How do I use? Set up your computer according to the instructions in Section 1 of the Owner's Guide. Don't turn the computer on yet. It says, look, there's a little box. Don't turn the computer on yet. Plug the keyboard tutorial cartridge into the opening in the back of the computer labeled Memory Expansion. See Section 3 of the Owner's Guide to learn more about using cartridges. Turn on the computer and watch the screen. Follow the instructions when they appear. Ta-da! I would bet, with many things, they had trouble with people sticking the cartridge in with the machine on and hurting the machine. Because that's what happened. And thus, this magical card. Yep. Anyway, more treasures to be found in this vintage banker's box. Have a lovely, lovely day. See you again soon. Back here in the TV room. I'm David Bradley, your host. Bye for now.